This is a cozy family home situated in Gate 2, Waterfall Country Estate. It has double garage, domestic quarters, and what's great is on the ground floor you have guest wing, which has a bedroom and its own lounge and an ensuite bathroom, and it is also wheelchair friendly. So this is ideal for families that have maybe elderly people living with them. This is the guest wing we're looking at, or of course if you have guests. Ground floor also has a guest toilet with a shower as well, so that just gives more flexibility. And then it opens up with open plan, formal lounge leading to a dining room, leading to a modern kitchen with plenty of cupboards, and straight from the garage you go into your scullery area and then into your kitchen and dining room. The house also has a home office that is separate from, it can be closed off completely, and it has a massive family room over and above the formal lounge with an aircon, built-in bar and a built-in braai area. Double volume living spaces give you that extra sense of space. And of course outside you have a beautiful covered patio with another braai and overlooking the gorgeous landscaped garden with a fenced off swimming pool and plenty of space for the kids to play. The second floor we have 3 bedrooms, so over and above the 4th bedroom downstairs, plus we have the domestic quarters with its own entrance from outside. The 2 kids' bedrooms share a full bathroom and a separate toilet, which gives it a bit more flexibility. And then we've got a pajama lounge as well, with a very nice balcony overlooking the garden, and adjacent to the pajama lounge is the master bedroom. Very sunny bedroom. The 2 of the bedrooms upstairs and all the living spaces downstairs are also north facing, so sunny, bright and warm in winter. The master bedroom has a beautiful walk-in closet with lots of cupboards, a stunning bathroom, modern and sunny, and an absolute gorgeous house for you to buy and feel at home.